Today, I'm going to show you how to link a credit card to QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Accounting. Then, select Bank Transactions. This opens the area where you connect and manage bank or credit card feeds. At the top right, click Link Account. A search bar will appear. Type the name of your credit card provider. Select the correct provider from the list. QuickBooks will now ask you to sign in to your credit card account. Enter the same username and password you use for your credit card's online banking portal. Then follow the security prompts. This may include entering a code sent to your phone or email or answering a security question. Once the login is approved, QuickBooks will show the accounts available to connect. Choose the credit card account you want to link. Then select the matching account in QuickBooks. If the account does not already exist, you can create a new credit card account in QuickBooks. Next, choose how far back you want QuickBooks to bring in transactions. Review the connection details carefully. Once everything looks correct, click Connect. QuickBooks will start syncing the credit card transactions. After the connection is complete, return to Bank Transactions. You should see recent credit card transactions appear in the feed. From there, you can review, categorize, match, or add them to your books. And that's how to link credit cards to QuickBooks Online.